you'll grab that band, even though you're strong enough to do pull-ups. Yeah. Everybody know that, but you'll still humble yourself to the band, even at this point, just to practice, just to feel, just to do that. And people will not do that.
Yeah, we want the final result so quickly. And it's like this shit ain't even clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you want to leave your house is dirty. Clean up first. See what I'm saying? Like, slow down.
Yeah, I think it comes to that generation a little bit. I mean, that's just how it is. I mean, people, everything. I tell them the truth. Yeah, like, you ever ask with people? They be like, yo, how I want to get like that, I want to get like you. And you'll be honest. You'll probably be like, this is going to take like 5 years.
I told a nigga, he walked out. He saw me in front of my house. He was like, what you do? How much for them arms, man? Yeah. I said, nigga, I worked 6 years to get the arms, bro. I didn't pay for shit. I put in thousands of hours to get like this. And I'll say that now, like, you don't get like this in a couple weeks. You have to be doing this for a long time. And they run like anything else. Like, ask yourself, how would I look in 10 years? What if I didn't stop for 10 years? I mean, so it's like, that's how you have to think. People, it's the world we're living in, and everything is like this now. Nigga, we don't have to leave our cribs. I can order my furniture. I can order my phones.
Everything. All
my laundry detergents, my food. Everything. I don't have to leave. That's what it is. Everybody's like, oh, I can get that shit now. Shit, why can't I get my muscle now? Because you got to do weeks, years of training. It don't come like that. That's why these niggas who get rich in the streaming game are fucking lame still, because you got $21 million, but you never left the house. You don't work on your fitness. You don't talk to nobody. So your skill is to just playing video games.
Like, facts.
It's too easy.
But you got money and then you don't understand the world.
It's too easy. It's just too easy. No one wants to do hard shit anymore. Strength isn't cool no more. Niggas like, what the fuck's all that for? Nigga, I want to be strong, nigga. I don't want to be like you.
Oh, you said lying. You said lying. You think in 2024 strength is not cool no more?
Yeah, it don't seem like it. Niggas don't care.
You're right. No, I'm not disagreeing with you. I think you're right. I just like that line. You're basically saying, because I'm thinking about it. I'm just thinking about it. I stream workouts. And if you see how I am, I only have conversations with men like him only when we're working out. This is my office.
Yeah, this is the office.
This is the office right here. We get business deals done out here. Yeah, we get life lessons out here. Yeah. I usually only conversate with men that work out, and it got to be outside or in the gym. We gotta talk and work out at the same time. That's my method. That's why we do different type of streaming here. But that makes a lot of sense. They're scared. It hurts.
They don't want to go through the pain.
It's intimidating.
We don't want the pain. We need pain to grow.
They're scared of pain. That's what it is. Because
AI said it. He didn't like working out because the shit fucking hurt.
It hurts. I've been there. There was another. See, I tell you, these talks like this go viral, and I get so much hate when I said that. I said it in one of my videos. I said, you agree with it? Because you might have said, I said, but the workout really doesn't start until you feel that pain in your muscle. That's when the workout starts, because people usually run away from the pain because it hurts.
Like, if I don't feel a burn, I'm not training like I'm supposed to be. I need something to hurt. Something has to be fried.
You don't understand how many soy boys were like, no, you're gonna hurt yourself. Oh, no, if you feel pain, stop, everybody.
Cotton balls.
No, I wouldn't want to work out if I be in pain.
Cotton balls is so.
I'm like, I'm just thinking, I'm like, bro, did y'all hear what I said?